Today we're talking about vision boards.
Hey, yo,
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last video, you'll see that I'm still in the same clothes because it's the same day. I filmed two videos in one day because let me tell you something, being a YouTuber is hard, guys. It's hard to do a video and then get dressed up and then have to say something. I'm like, you know what, let me just kill two birds with one stone, and let me just film two videos at the same time. So I filmed my first video, which was my Q&A. If you didn't watch that, stop watching this video, go watch my Q&A video, right? So basically, vision boards, you have so you have a board, it can be any size. You put a bunch of pictures of things that remind you of your goal, and it gets in your head somehow and works in your brain, and it helps you manifest those dreams. Like, it actually helps you manifest your goals and make it come true. It's called the law of attraction. It's a science thing, but it works. It's a psychology thing, actually. It's a science psychology thing, but it works, guys. I made all my siblings make a vision board because I think it's a good thing, no matter what age you are, to just have goals, whether if it's to get a new Barbie or to become a doctor. I think they're all important. So I have my vision board, and I'm really excited to show you guys. I think me showing you, maybe you'll be inspired and make your own vision board because it's so easy. Like, guys, it's so easy. Let me start talking about the process of making a vision board. So this is what you need. You need a board. You need some magazines, like any magazines you have at home. If you have a printer, that can work, like colored printer. I use both a magazine and colored printer because I couldn't find everything in the magazines because I have very specific goals. Glue, scissors, that's it, guys. It's so easy. So this is my vision board, guys. I love this thing. You know why I love this thing? It's because, like, the way I did it, so I made goals that I can achieve in a semester or in a year. So like, I didn't put I want to be a doctor. Like, I know I want to be a doctor. I put more stuff like volunteering, like stuff that will lead for me to be a doctor, but that I can achieve in the span of a year. Do you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get into what I put on my vision board. Okay, I'm gonna start about the middle. So a YouTuber that I saw, she put like the most important thing that she wanted to focus on in the middle. So I put family in the middle, and the reason why I put that is because it reminded me of my family, and like to always make sure that I'm keeping in touch with them, even though I'm going to college, which is like, I've never been away from my family ever. Also, guys, you put your vision board, I'm sorry, I'm going all over the place. You put your vision board in the place that you stay the most. So like, if you have an office, if you stay the most in the office, you'll put it in your office. If you stay the most in your room, like me, you'll put it in your room. If you stay the most in the bathroom, put it in your bathroom. And then there's this little thing right here. It says, what good shall I do this day? So I'm trying to put good into this world. There's so much bad in this world. So my focus right now is to just put a lot of good into every day. Even if it's just complimenting someone who looks cute, like, girl, you look so cute. Like, I don't know, like, just complimenting people, making someone's day, helping others, like, just little stuff like that. What good shall I do today? Okay, so right here, do y'all see this? Perfumes. Let me tell you something. I have a very unhealthy addiction to buying expensive stuff, which I don't have the money for. Right? So yeah, that's why I have this here, because I love perfumes. Okay, another important thing I put is the Holy Bible. I am trying to strengthen my faith in Christ and all things related to God. I have a Bible and I've read it a lot before, but I feel like I've been slacking and stuff. So I'm definitely trying to motivate myself to read more of the Bible, pray more to God, and just strengthen my faith a lot more. So that's like very big. That one right there is very big. Last thing, I'm just gonna go through this quickly. Last thing, subscribe 1,000. I don't know if this will happen, but I just put it on there because I'm not stressed about having a lot of subscribers. Numbers don't matter to me because it's like a bunch of people can watch your videos and not gain anything from it, or a couple people can watch your videos and they can be so inspired and it'll change their life. So numbers don't matter because it's just numbers. But I did put subscribe 1,000 because if that happens, that's a really great achievement, because I'm like, wow, it's crazy. So make sure you guys subscribe. I forgot to say that. Subscribe and like, okay? Last thing I would say, oh my god, I just want to go through each thing. So this is like this guy talking. Well, it's not a guy, it's just kind of like a shadow, and there's people behind, and he's on a podium. I want to make speeches to a group of people. I don't know, I really don't know why I put this, but something in my head was like, I don't know, maybe I'll be given the opportunity to just speak, and I would like that opportunity. Even though I'm super kind of, I don't think I'm shy, I'm just kind of like, ooh, I don't know, it's very strange, but I would love to do this. Just like speak. I don't know what I would say, but I put this, okay? So the rest is kind of like school related, like A+, you know. Make sure I make A in my class. Credit score, I want an 800 credit score. I don't know, guys, I really want that. And then paid in full, no debts. I'm gonna do an updated vision board, and I'll let you guys know what came true, because this I'm gonna be looking at every single day when I'm in Augusta, when I'm in my dorm. Every single day I'm gonna look at this, and I'm gonna be so inspired to do everything that I put on here, because it's like when you see it every day, it's in your head, it's stuck in your head. So maybe you guys should make a vision board too if you're like lacking motivation, or if you just want to look at, if you just want a nice decoration for your. Alright y'all, I don't know, my camera cut off, so I don't know where it stopped, but I'm just gonna end this video here. I'll do an updated vision board if you guys want me to. I definitely want to update you guys and tell you guys what came true and what I improved on, and if my dreams actually became reality. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Hit the bell notification. Comment if we have some things in common. If you comment if you're gonna make a vision board, I want to know that. Like, that's really cool. If I inspired you to make a vision board, like, let me know. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.